Diminuage's nanotechnology offers state-of-the-art skincare within the comfort of your home. Today, we will show you how to use our NanoPen to its fullest potential, helping you achieve the best results possible. So, let's get started. This non-invasive, at-home microneedling tool is fast, safe, and effective at reducing fine lines and wrinkles, smoothing skin texture, and fading dark circles, pimples, and acne scars. We have a variety of devices and NanoChips. The NanoPen Prime is a single speed and powered by a AAA battery. The Lux has 3 speeds with built-in rechargeable battery. And the NanoShell is both a facial booster tool and cleansing face brush. But for now, let's use the Lux for this demonstration. To operate, each NanoPen requires a NanoChip. Daily NanoChips are made to upgrade your daily routine and are good for everyday use for every skin type. And Booster NanoChips are made to give your facial an even deeper boost. Use these once or twice a week. Placing the NanoChip on the pen is simple. Align the NanoChip with the circular opening at the top, making sure it faces outward. Screw in until it is firmly fastened. And now your NanoPen is ready for use. But first, let's rinse. Next, apply our Blanq Brightening Serum. This one-of-a-kind serum is both rejuvenating and moisturizing. To use, hold the bottle vertically to your face and gently tap the rubber head against the skin. If you already have a favorite serum of your own, our NanoPen will instantly make it more effective by increasing its absorption rate by 10 to 20 times. Now that you've applied the serum, you're ready to go. Simply press and hold down the applicator light located at the bottom of the NanoPen. Once on, it'll begin to vibrate. There are 3 speeds: low, medium, and high. To switch between them, quickly press down the indicator light. Red means high speed, green means medium speed, and blue means low speed. For the area around your eyes and nose, turn to low speed and press the pen against the skin in a stamping motion. Lightly press down for 2 to 3 seconds at a time. Repeat until the desired area has been treated. For the forehead, cheeks, and chin, gently glide the NanoPen across the skin in either medium or high speed. Again, continue until the desired area has been treated. Once finished, press and hold down the light indicator to turn off. Remove the NanoChip and discard. For hygienic purposes, it's one-time use only. For best results, it's important that your pen is perpendicular to the face. We also recommend using a Diminuage mask after treatment to best absorb its nutrients. Open the sachet and remove the mask. Be sure to use immediately after opening. Face the shiny layer outward. Once applied, remove the pearlescent layer and smooth out any remaining wrinkles or bubbles. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. After time is up, remove the mask, pat in any remaining essence for best absorption, and then gently rinse the face. And that's how you use your Diminuage NanoPen. It really is a fast and effective way to upgrade your daily facial and ensure yourself a healthy, gorgeous glow.